Hey everyone, welcome to another video wherein we'll talk about what happened in today's trade, and also we'll look at the accumulation data for 19th of March 2024, right? So we'll start off with the Nifty index. So the Nifty index, which was kind of holding support around that 21,920 mark, right? That has finally given up, right? So it has broken down. So the next immediate support for Nifty would be around these levels. That is like a decent support for Nifty would be around 21,500. That is again a 1.5% lower from here. If that is also breached, then probably 21,146. If that is also breached, then very close to the 30 WMA. So 30 WMA is the moving average that I use. So previously also you can see around 25th of October, around that area, we had taken support and then bounced from there, right? So high chances we can do that as well again this time, if this moving average line also coincides with this particular horizontal support line that is there around those levels, right? So as of now, Nifty looks bearish, although I was pretty bullish that Nifty is going to move higher from here, because I was not really that comfortable in the small and mid cap index, but I was more confident in the Nifty. But what caused this panic also we'll look at. So in yesterday's this thing, the Supreme Court has ordered SBI to disclose the unique electoral bond data. So what this will do is, this will kind of establishing link between the donor and the party link, right? So this is going to tell us, see earlier what happened, the Supreme Court feels that there is some mismatch that is happening. So that is why they have kind of again asked SBI to provide it by 5 p.m. on March of 21. That is 2 days to go. So until that is kind of resolved, there is some little fear or panic in the market that is causing this drawdown, right? So we don't know what is there in that data, right? Only after 5 p.m. on 25th March we'll come to know. But that is definitely the kind of news that is causing some people to throw in the towel, and they kind of are booking out, right? So as of now, Nifty looks bad, right? If you look at all the indices, so on the right hand side, if you see, I have included all the indices, everything ended in the red. Something like even the IT and the pharma index, those also ended in the red. Looks like a broad-based selling that happened today across all the indices. Now coming to the small and the mid cap. So the small cap index is finally making this shoulder, that is the right shoulder. So this was the left shoulder and the head, and then we are making this right shoulder. So eventually, if that is kind of broken down, then we can expect even more pain coming into the small cap stock. So this is actually around that level already, the mid cap index. Although I thought that this would be like a bigger thing, it is already at that. So if there is more panic, then this can easily crack, right? But one good thing is, it is still quite far from the 30 WMA, whereas the small cap index is almost near that. So if this is broken, then a clear cut thing that small cap index has entered a bearish territory after that, right? So this is what has happened. If you look at the data, so many people ask me, why are you taking in March of 23 data, right? So you can compare it with like February 24 or January 24. So why March of 23 is because in March of 23, that is where the whole rally started, right? So we started the rally from March of 2023, and that is where the strong accumulation came in, and then we had a up move, that is stage 2 up move, and then we went into some kind of a distribution here, stage 3, and now we are going into that stage 4 down move, right? So that is the reason I'm kind of comparing it with March of 23, because if you look at that kind of data wherein strong accumulation came in, and now wherein strong I would say there is no real money kind of coming in, and the distribution has been stock specific, right? So after this, high chances that we go even lower. So as of now, things are not looking that great, right? People are taking money off the table. Even the big guys are not really interested in kind of putting more money at these levels. Time to be a little more cautious, right? Once that SBI data is out, we'll see how the FIIs react to that, and even most of the DIs, because people had a different perception about how this government was run and all of that. So now if things are proven otherwise, maybe the premium valuation that many people were giving India because of the clean government and all of that, that can go out of the window, right? So let's wait and see. Too early to kind of forecast what will be there on 21st of April, right? So see you guys tomorrow or day after tomorrow once that data is out, right? Hopefully this helps. Thank you.